Welcome everyone to another tutorial about Kivy. Yes, so today we're gonna be doing something super amazing, super cool. Yes, so this will be divided into a chunk of videos. Yeah, so please do subscribe and comment as well, so that you can always be up to date, and that also I can know what you might need exactly. Yes, so in terms of looking at what we're going to be doing, yes, just to check what we're going to be doing today, I'm just going to open the project. Bang, this is what we're going to be doing. Yes, even the birds are agreeing to what we're going to be doing today. Check this out. So we're going to be creating a search box. Yes, it won't particularly do anything, so it's more of a layout thing. So you're gonna have your chat box, your search box, and then also creating buttons, two buttons for you. Yeah, so it's a layout that we're going to be creating from scratch in your phone, right? Yeah, so you don't need a laptop actually to use Kivy. Yes, yeah, so let's just dive into it. So in the first part of the video, I would like to just focus on how to actually start creating this kind of layout. So if you look at what we're trying to create here, this is a combination. It seems like it seems complicated at first, because you don't even know where to begin. There's like an icon there, there's a search box, there's buttons and things like that. But I can assure you that after this video you'll find out that actually it's quite easy to create something like this. Yes, and how I usually like to break to break it down, actually you can firstly try to figure out what layout you can use, because there are multiple layouts to use, like grid layout, box layout, float layout, and so forth. Yes, and pretty much the layout that we're going to be using here actually is going to be the box layout. We could also use the grid layout, but I'll also show you why use the box layout rather than the grid layout. Anyway, enough talk, enough saying. Let's just dive right in. Yes. So once again, we will be using PyDroid 3 to edit our code. Yes. Okay. Let's just open the new project that we're going to be working from. I already saved it in the Kivy folder. I explained this in the very first video, so if you don't remember, please go to the very first video on how you can use PyDroid. So in this case, the project that we're working on now is from my app. I already prepared everything, so let's open it. Okay, so as you can see, it's straightforward. I've already created the screen and everything and uploaded and imported a screen manager and everything, so everything is set. And also just to open also the Kivy file as well. Yeah, it's also ready. As you can see, I already put the class, the screen class. All right, so the start screen, right? Yes, but at this point there is nothing. So if we just go on and run it, you will see that there's actually nothing. It's just a blank screen, nothing. There's nothing there. As you can see, there's nothing. Yes, so now what we're going to do is, firstly we're going to create our box layout. That is the layout that we're going to be using. Okay, box layout, and let's go on ahead and put two buttons. Okay, just two buttons, nothing, just two buttons. Okay, Okay, as you can see, there's now two buttons that are created. Yes, they're created horizontally, but we would like them to rather be um, vertically. So let's change the orientation. Change orientation to vertical. Okay, I think that should be fine. Okay, I just opened the wrong tab. Okay, let's check that out. Yes, there we go. There we go. Yes. So, but what we want to create is not something that covers the whole screen. So we just want to create, you know, like the search box at the top and then the two buttons. So we can use size hint just to give it like the size that we want. So size hint is definitely something that you can just use in terms of this, and more specifically we want the y the size hint for the y, which is basically like the height of the box layout. So in which case we want it to be maybe 1.5 should be fine. 0.1 0.15 should be fine. Let's see. Yes, perfect. All right, so now as you can see, yes, we've created like two buttons. Yeah, but the position is we want it to be at the top. So how do you position now the box layout at the top? It's very simple. You just use pause hint. So pause hint is very good at giving you that position. So in which case we want it to be at the top. So you can just top. So if you wanted it to be like at the bottom, well, we would just leave it like it. But in this case, we want it to be at the top. So we can just indicate that we want it to be at the top, like so. Okay, let's go on and check that out. All right, there we go, guys. There we go. That is super amazing. Wow. PyDroid and Kivy Launcher definitely work well together. But one thing though, if you look at what we're working towards, we don't want the background here to be, you see between the buttons is like these black space black background. So we would like to just change that. So it's very easy to change that. We can just use the canvas there. So let's just put the canvas and give it like some color. RGBA. Yeah, so we're giving it a white color. Okay, and very important, very important, we have to use size self.size and pause self.pause. Okay, let's check it out. Let's see what we have now. Perfect. Yes, as you can see now, in between there's like there's the white background, which is quite good. Yes, so this is our first video. So stay tuned for the next one. Once again, please subscribe, like, comment. Yes.